Hello. It is camera's upside down. Alright, hello guys. It is Dragon56 here with special guest, my dog. And my sister is all the way over there. We are going to let my dog run. He's off leash. And so yeah, here we go. Go, Becky! Go, buddy! Alright, it's too dark to see him, but there he is running. Why does he always do that? Alright, I'm going to pause it until she gets over there. So yeah, we're going to switch sides. That way you can see his adorable little face.
You're going to have to be hiding, or else I'm going to have to get in the camera because he's scared.
Yeah. Wait, how about you get the camera? Alright? Alright, so we're going to switch off. She's going to have the camera. So we'll see you guys. Don't bother.
Okay. This is our apartment. I'm here to save you.
Looks like we gotta do that again since he's slowed down. So.
Joey's out of breath. We gotta get him some water.
No, he's not tired. Alright, we'll be back.
I'm here to save you. Come here, brothers. You can do it. You can do it. Good boy.
Oh my god. They need to start running now. We'll be right back again.
Okay, guys, we are back. My brother's taking the dog back out.
Okay, guys, we're back. She doesn't really know. It kind of lags. So yeah, here we go in the pack.
Oh, and the jig is up. We're making the dog run for his water. Classic. You're gonna see a little bit of jelly blob. He's walking into the light. You can't see him. Sorry, guys. I don't know. Maybe I can scroll you guys in, but maybe not. Here he comes. I'm here to save you. Come on, buddy. Come on, get the water. Get the water. Why are you going fast? What are you doing? Come here, little man. One sec, guys. We'll be right back.
Okay, we are back. And Baggy just did the one, huh, buddy? He is extremely tired.
And he doesn't want to run.
I don't think he wants to run anymore. Alright, Gabby, I'll take the face view this time, okay?
Okay.
Alright, we'll be right back for her turn to drop it face view. Okay, that came out wrong. I meant let him go and run towards me. And do his face view. Sorry, it's just too bright for my camera to take. Alright, here he comes. Come back here. Here's coming. Here comes. There he is. Right there. Come on, Bubba. Good job, silly. Yeah, if I'm sitting in front of him, he's too scared to come towards me. But yeah, so later.